Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever part in the world you are today. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. And today I'll be cooking curry chicken and white rice. So I just want to take this time out to thank all my loyal supporters who have subscribed, who have been commenting and who have been sharing this video. You know, I wanted to pick up some people on this channel today. You know, how me eat. Big up yourself, my brother. You know, go over there and see what he's doing on his channel. Travelers, influencers. You know, go over there and see what he's all about, because he's a man that loves travel all over the world. Yeah. And there's a man called, there's a man and a woman called Marshy and Diggs. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, travelers, and experimenting and exploring different restaurants and different things that they do. So you can check them out. Yeah. And I want to big up all my supporters wherever they are in the Caribbean. You know, we got fans in Grenada, Trinidad, you know, Barbados, and I'm originally from Jamaica. Big up all my Jamaican people still. Yeah. Here in Britain, big up all the loyal supporters that we can't live without, you know. Yeah. And in Canada, yes man, big up on yourself. In the United States of America, New York, all the family over there, Cook and Inspire family, big up on yourself. All my loyal supporters in Europe, you know, we got our fans in Singapore. Yes, so I say Australia, Africa, South Africa. Yeah man. And that's the thing, in a normal, I mean I tell you, say, the thing I got turn up loud in the kitchen today. Yeah man, so before I go into that, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Yes, I'll take you and I'll show you how I'm gonna season my curry chicken. Yes, so here we are now. I'm gonna show you my ingredients that I'll be using to season my curry, to season my chicken. Yes, but before I get into that, I just want to let you know that I'm not at my home. I'm at my mother-in-law, and I decided to come here today to do a curry chicken and white rice cook up for you guys. Yeah, I was just passing through, and I just think I feel a bit hungry, you know, so let me do something. Yeah, so I decided to make a video for you guys. Yeah, to show you how I cook my curry chicken. Yes, so this is it. The kitchen might look a bit different, but it's not mine. I love it still. You know, it's cool. Yeah, but here we are now. You might see me well gloves up, because don't forget, we're dealing with curry, and curry will get into your nails and they will, you know, ruin it for about a couple of days. Yeah, so I decided to put my gloves on. So come over here, let me show you what's happening. So first of all, you're gonna need your chicken. I've got one whole chicken there which I've cut in small pieces, as you can see. They're not big pieces of chicken. Don't forget to wash your chicken thoroughly with vinegar and lemon, right? And I've done that before. I've washed it, I've pre-prepared it. Here we are again. I'm gonna take you step by step what seasoning and how much seasoning to put into your chicken to season it up, right? At this time, you won't see me put any salt in it, because don't forget, these seasons, you know, they contain salt in them. I don't want it to put salt in there and it will become salty, right? So here we are now. And what are they doing? Oh, my curry. I'm doing curry without curry. Oh, that is funny. Okay. Right, so here we are. We're going with our curry, our better pack curry. What I do, I use 4 teaspoons of curry. And if it need more, I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. And if it need more, I'll put it in there. So watch and see when I'm gonna rub this up. Yes, so here we are now. Our seasons on the chicken. So don't forget, put your gloves on because you don't want to get them curry in them nails. Okay, but don't be shy. Just get in there with your hand, or if you prefer use a spoon, use a spoon. Right. So here we are. Watch me carefully. So what you do, you just get all that season nice and deep down in those chicken creases. What a nice word to use, or chicken creases. Chicken of creases. Right, so let's massage that in, right? So to me, this looks like it needs a bit more curry. So let's put a bit more curry. I want to get my, that's a bit more curry in there. About another teaspoon. Right, here we are. So get that curry down in there. So I'll season it up, rub it in, and then I'll come back and I'll show you when it's time for it to go in the pot. And don't forget, it's curry chicken and rice. So I'll be showing you how to prepare your rice to steam. Watch and see when I come back. Yes. So here we are again after 15 minutes with our seasoned chicken. And it's all nice marinated up and everything. So here we are. We've got a pot here. So camera lady, if you can come close up, let us have a look. So what I'll be doing, I've got my pot with oil. This is our Jamaican Dutch pot. Yeah, this pot cooks everything. It's the best pot to cook curry and all the nice meat. If there's no Jamaican home without a Dutch pot. So here we are, our Dutch pot. It looks a bit rusty, but yeah, that's the way it is. Dutch pot always look like that. Anyway, so I'll be putting in a few pieces of scallion just to burn in the oil. 2 cloves of garlic just to burn that in the oil, give it a nice flavor. Yeah, let's put that in here. And what I'll be doing, I'll be going in with a tablespoon of curry just to burn it off for a bit. Yeah, just a little bit more curry. I like when my curry is rich. Right, so let's bring my flame down a bit. I don't want it to get my curry burn. Right, let's mix it up. Let that curry burn. So here we are, our curry is nice and getting burnt there. So I'll be going in with my chicken now. Don't forget, you're gonna put everything in the pot. Yeah? And I'm not gonna put any water in my chicken until it all, I would say, sauteed or sealed up. Yeah, I'm not gonna use any water as yet. Because I like when my chicken, get that nice little thing going on in the oil first. Yeah, so let's give that a little stir. Yeah, if you know what I mean. So you don't put water in your chicken as you put it on. I see some people put water in the chicken when they first put it on the fire. But I always let my chicken saute a bit first, cook down in its own juice. Always let the chicken cook down in its own juice. Fried up a little bit. So when that gets going, I'll come back and I'll show you. So look at that. Look how beautiful that looks already. Yes. And while this is sauteing down, and before I come back to show you, I'll show you how I prepare my rice to be steamed. Okay? So catch me on the next one. So here we are again. Our curry chicken is on the fire, simmering down, as you can see. And over here we've got our rice, which I'm gonna prepare and show you how to steam your rice. Okay, so over here we got about 6 cups of rice. You know, so this is the pot I'm gonna be cooking it in. So here we are, put it in the pot. Let's take it over the sink. That's to wash that. Don't forget to wash your rice. Yeah, don't just put the rice in your water and put it on the stove. So wash your rice. You know, we Jamaican love to wash our rice properly. You know, get out some of those starch and all those dirt. You don't know, your rice may be dirty, so just wash your rice. I recommend you wash your rice. So here we are. You can see how white that water is. Yes, so give it around wash it around 3 times. Yes, so here we are with our chicken. I'll show you when I was washing my rice, but it is time to pay my chicken attention. So here we are. This is the bowl that we season our chicken in. So all those curry and all those seasons still in that bowl. So what I've done, I've boiled my kettle, put some boiling water in there. So here we have our carrots. I just put my carrots in that water. Yeah. I've got my potato. Go in with my potato also. Let's give it a look over. That's to clean the bowl. It's not, you know, you don't have to put it in the bowl with the water, but it's just, for me, wanting to clean the bowl. Okay, I've got my mixed vegetable, but I don't want to put my mixed vegetable in the curry chicken yet. If you haven't tried mixed vegetable in your curry chicken, it is very nice. You can try it. Okay, so let's come over here and have a look now. So my carrots and my potatoes are in the bowl with some water. As you see, my chicken is got this thing going on in here. Look how nice that is, all simmering down already. So yeah, so I'll be going in with my water and my carrots. Yeah, so once you put all of those in the pot, as you can see, the water is not too much, because you don't want too much water in your pot yet. As don't forget, you don't want the gravy to be watery. You want a nice thick gravy. Yes, so this is my rice. As you see, I've washed my rice already. I've just tended to my chicken, so I'm back to show you how to prepare your rice for steaming. Okay, so as you see, this is the amount of water I put in my pot. Depends on how much rice you got. Sorry, how many rice. That would be a lot of rice. How much rice you got in there. Yeah, so I just cover the rice with enough water. I would say probably about 2 joints of your finger. If you can look at my finger, the amount of rice, you see, I use my joints and my finger for measurements. I use 2 joints, you know, just to cover the water, the rice. Yeah, so what I'll be doing, I'll be going in with some salt. And that's it basically. Just put it on the fire and leave it to come to a boil, and I'll come back and show you. Simple and easy as that. Yeah, you'll see the rice when it's finished, and I'll show you again when it's all bubbling up. Jamaican terms, many of you may say, what's bubbling up? You know, Jamaican terms, it's boiling up. Okay, so here we are. Our rice is on the flame and our curry is here. Look at that. all that goodness is there. I'll come back in the next 5 minutes and I'll put my mixed vegetable in my curry, and then by then my rice should be boiling. So here we are, our curry chicken almost finished cooking. Yeah, so if you take a look down in the pot, see what's going on there. Look how nice and thick that gravy is. Yeah, because what the potato does, it helps to thicken the gravy. The curry chicken, got them nice pieces of chicken. Yeah, nice thick, rich gravy going on in there. Look how beautiful that curry looks. And over here we've got some red cabbage going on in the pot over there, just to steam down to have a little curry. And if you look over here, we got our rice. Look how shelly that is. Nice and shelly. Yeah? Look at that. You know, the secret of getting a shelly rice is to just follow the steps that I gave to you earlier on. Yeah? And just leave it to boil. Look how shelly you can actually pick up every grain of that rice. Look how shelly that is. Look how shelly that is. So it's all coming together now. About the next 5 minutes, everything should be finished, and I'll plate up and I'll show you when it's finished. Yes, so here we are, our finished dish, curry chicken and white rice. As you can see, it's well presented. We got our mixed vegetable, our tomatoes, fried plantain, and we got some red cabbage going on in there. Look how beautiful that is. You know, curry chicken and white rice. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. You know, I'll very much appreciate it. Yeah, so until next time, it's Cook and Inspire in the kitchen with Chef Garnet at it. Yes, sir. Out and over we go. I'm gonna dig into this right now. Right now.